Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem tankless water heater not powering on, power supply and circuit breaker check. Fix 1 is check the power outlet. Make sure the water heater is plugged in securely. Plug another device into the same outlet. If the outlet doesn't work, try another outlet or restore power to that circuit. Second one is check the circuit breaker. Open your home electrical panel, then look for the breaker labeled water heater or Rheem. If the breaker is in the middle of off position, switch it fully off first. Turn it back on. Wait about 1 minute to see if the water heats power on. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the circuit breaker, unplug the heater if it has a power plug. Then wait 5 minutes, plug it back in and turn the breaker on. Check if the display powers up. Fourth fix is inspect the internal fuse of the breaker before opening the unit. Remove the front cover, then check for a blown fuse. Replace it only when the same type are rating if it has failed. Reinstall the cover and store power. Fifth one is check for loose electrical connection. Turn off the power at the breaker, then remove the front cover. Look for loose or disconnected wires. Tighten any loose connection if you are comfortable doing so. Restore power and test the heater. Thanks for watching.